OWC is a technology company that is dedicated to making everybody's technology go further. We have software solutions, we have docks, we have very high performance external storage that all come together to support your creative process, on your work, on all the things you need to do in your day-to-day. What makes OWC special is the team. We are a family that uses this technology. So much of the innovation at OWC has been driven by the needs that we have ourselves and the needs of our customers. Because on top of everything else, OWC is really about the people.
Everything at OWC is about the people, either the people in the company or the customers that we're creating solutions for. You don't always remember what people do, but you remember how they make you feel. And that's really what our customer interaction goes for. We're always thinking about the customer experience. What do they want? What are they trying to solve? How can we help them do that? We can come up with a product or a solution that allows somebody to do something they couldn't do before.
Our technology sets people free, gives musicians, videographers, editors, everyone the capability to do more. I started OWC when I was 14 years old. OWC's origin was driven by necessity. I grew up in the middle of nowhere. I couldn't drive. I had an Apple computer that needed more memory. I learned what it took to upgrade my system. It made me think I can help people save the money and reduce the headache and hassle when we need to upgrade. I could show them how to do it. I could talk them through it. It really put me on a course with technology. Helping people has been a mission of OWC from day one. The first technology products we did was simple memory sets, and then went into external storage. OWC was actually a pioneer in solid-state drives, and as time has gone on, certainly over the last decade, the importance of software being a component to take hardware to new levels became more and more of a priority. It's really amazing to see OWC start, literally in a barn, see a need and address a problem. But the growth has been driven by a team here that keeps that passion and keeps that expansion rolling.
I started in OWC as a temp on the sales team, ultimately went on to then become the company's first president. The thing that I've loved from the company since the beginning, and I still love, is working with the people that I work with. Culture is everything, right? It's what gets us excited to come in and do what we do. It's really respect and teamwork, looking at everything through the lens of curiosity versus judgment or assumptions. So whether we're creating an external solution for our customers or when our teams are looking at internal solutions, it's the same question. What do our people need? What's really going to help them do their job better, help them get more out of their time at OWC? I think our customers see that in amazing service. We get tremendous amounts of compliments about the interactions our customers have with our representatives.
We wanted to do something very unconventional for a documentary. OWC sent somebody to come, diagnose the problem, came up with a solution for us. Larry's running a big company, but he's been there the whole way for us.
We didn't even miss a beat because of OWC.
OWC allowed us to meet the deadline that was set forth.
OWC has fostered a new paradigm for working professionals. It's a win-win-win across the board.
Anyone that ever asks me, do they need something for their computer, I always send them to OWC, always, and it just works. I mean, that should just be the slogan, it just works. You plug it in and it just works.
They have some cutting edge thinking that anticipates what is next, what's on the horizon.
The students got to work with OWC. They even got to receive some devices.
OWC was a lifesaver.
The Envoy Pro Mini allowed me to be as creative as possible.
Made my life so much easier in the production process.
Helped me create content with minimal equipment.
This is the real deal. I don't know what I would have done without this.
That loyalty comes from all the micro interactions, right? It comes from really wanting to talk to our customers and understand what their needs are and what's the best solution for them.
Not trying to figure out what we can sell somebody, it's providing them the right solution that fits their needs, because we're here to have customers for life.
From a more global perspective, as we grew as a company and had more resources, there's a constant drive in the company all the time to find what are even small changes that we can make on the sustainability side that will have a big impact. We have platinum certified building. We use geothermal. We have a wind turbine. Now we have solar on the roof. So there's a lot of different pieces that go into being LEED certified.
I like knowing that we have sustainability built into our facility. It costs a little more, but the investments we make are based on long-term return. Being involved with projects like Kiss the Ground, Florian Wagner's African Waters, they highlight the gems that we have on this planet. Understand the resources we have, appreciate the resources we have, because we don't have to be destroying. There's got to be some responsibility taken to make sure that this land is here for our kids.
The future of OWC is what we make it, and that's what's really exciting. I think one of the biggest differences between OWC back when I started and OWC now is really the scale. The same heart is there, the same focus, the same determination, but we just get to do it all bigger. The impetus for the company was coming up with solutions and products that would help extend the life of technology. We always want to be improving, and we always want to be providing our customers that solution that they need. We've been such a strong solutions provider on the hardware side, and now we're really coming into our own on the software side. So to me, I see the future as really marrying those two things together so we can create full solutions for our customers. And also bringing in more partnerships. We just recently purchased the Tolis Group, which brings in a wealth of knowledge about LTO. We've also recently acquired LumaForge. It really expands us out into network attached storage. On a geographic perspective, we have an office in Belgium, we have an office in Taiwan, we have an office in Australia. So we're really starting to grow so that we can support our customers locally in real time.
There's always something where we can make a difference. With every solution that we do put forth, there's another problem to be solved. We've got a great team, that brings lots of ideas to the table, brings lots of innovation, and it's hard not to be passionate with how all that talent comes together. We're always able to evolve and to make things better for our customer.
I just wanted to say a huge thank you to OWC.
Thank you, OWC.
Thank you all.
OWC, the speed to create, the capacity to dream.